This is my next game, Kung Fu Clairvoyance, a game where you can go back in time and also you can see a little bit into the future. Each play will be a little bit different, since you will get different upgrades as you play. This week I focus on camera and color management. I talked about color some time ago, but I did not implement it until this week. So each part of the game will have a camera field of view and zoom level, depending on the scene, and also depending on the environment. The color palette will also be impacted. For example, in this area where fire is all around you, the scene will be a little bit red, while moving far from it will decrease it. Moving to other parts of the city will also change the overall color balance. So in darker areas, like in the caves, the overall scene color balance will be light blue. Some areas will have a tighter camera view, like in the city. Now all of this can be configured in the level editor. Before that, I had some hard-coded values. Next, I spent a few hours redrawing stones. I did not like the previous ones, so I made new ones. And with those, I started a new variation of the city walls. I'm planning to add many different areas that can be exchanged, so every time you play it will be a little bit different. Some areas will open or give you different enemies, and some others will be completely replaced. I'm planning to make it feel like you went back or ahead of time on each part, so you can experience how some areas change over time. But since those will be randomly picked every time, there will be many combinations, and in some you will be able to find different NPCs or different rewards to unlock. Finally, I felt that the main screen needed some rework. Even though it's not finished, it gives a little bit more variety to the menus, minor animations and transitions. I had to break up the whole screen into small parts, so parallel scrolling can be seen. I would like to add more things here and there, but as many will say, that I'm wasting time in areas that are not that important. Even with that, I feel menu options and user interface is quite important to keep the attention of players, even with the load screen. Well, this still needs more details, but if I can make it more interesting, time will fly while waiting. And that's it for this week, a very short update. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.